So one of the things that you can actually do in blogs in Strikingly is enable out comments so that you can go ahead and receive comments in your blogs, so people can interact with your blogs. So over here, so for that, I can go ahead and click on Manage Blog Post. And then what I can simply do is go around over here onto settings. So here you can see that enable comments is an option. So you can go ahead and enable comments so that people can post directly, or you can go ahead and choose that comment requires approval. So when someone posts, you need to approve it too in order to post it out. So if I were to deselect it, it'll be directly posted. So let me just go ahead and select that and then click on save right here. So once you go ahead and do that, let me just go ahead and view my site right here. So you can see that it is being published right here, and there's my URL. So if I were to go ahead right here and see, this is my site. So if I were to go to read more right here, under it, you can see that I can go ahead and add in a comment. So I can go ahead and say something like great content right here, just like this. And then I can go ahead and type in my name right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube. Let's say, for example, click on submit right here, and it'll be submitted. So now this is the email. Let's say, for example, right here. So this is email. So tutortubechannel@gmail.com. Click on submit. And then what happens is that it'll be submitted out just like this, as you can see. And you can even go ahead and reply to it as you want as well. So you can say something like great, go ahead and publish, and then there you go. You can go ahead and add and reply to it as well. So that is simply how you can go ahead and enable out comments in the blogs that you have inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.